Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Financial Wealth, and our today's video is regarding the all the executive order has been signed by the President Joe Biden. So it's been 3 days in the office and President Joe Biden has signed about 30 executive order. Now most of the executive order is related to COVID-19 related issue. Biden has set a goal of having 100 million doses of the vaccine administered in the first 100 days of his in the office. So this is pretty exciting thing. Now, the first 10 executive order, the first one is the mask requirement. Biden will ask state and local government and businesses officials to encourage mask wearing and social distancing. The second executive order is related to traveling. Mask will be required on public transportation, including trains, buses, and aircraft. In addition, international travelers will have to show the proof that they are negative for the COVID-19 virus before they entering to the country. They will also have to quarantine upon arrival. Now this is the something similar executive order like some other countries already following. Like if you travel India and Australia, you need to show the proof of that you don't have a COVID-19, and as soon as you arrive to that country you need to quarantine for the 14 days. Now the third executive order related to supply chain. Biden will use the Defense Production Act to have the companies make supplies such as masks and other protective gear needed for testing, vaccinations, and treating people with the virus. The order will also aim to bolster domestic manufacturing of such supplies. It will help the domestic manufacturing companies basically when they use this kind of defense law to set them up to start the manufacturing local supply. Now, fourth executive order is related to funding for state. Biden will call for the more funding to local and state officials in addition to setting up 100 community vaccination sites. Number 5, COVID-19 response office. Purpose office the proposed office would coordinate the response to the pandemic across federal agencies. Now, the sixth executive order is related to data-driven dashboard. The order will call for the Center for Disease Control to prevention to the public and a dashboard showing COVID-19 cases at the county level so that American can gauge the level of transmission in their own communities to make their own informed choices according to this executive order. Now, if you see some of the state and a county, they already actually producing the COVID-19 related data weekly basis. Now, this executive order actually make this thing very mandatory. Now, the seventh executive order, treatment and research. This executive order will call for a new drug discovery and development program that focuses on such a drug as a remdesivir and antiviral that has been used to treat COVID-19 patient. And we know that President Donald Trump also got the treatment with the same type of medicine. Number 8 executive order is related to testing. An executive order will establish a COVID-19 testing board to discover effective and rapid tests that can quickly be scaled up and distributed. Now, number 9th executive order is regarding the reopening. The Department of Health and Human Services will directed to collect data on school reopening in order to study the risk of sending students back to in-person learning. The order will also call on the Occupational Safety and Health Administration to set guidelines on a safe workplace practices. So seems like this new government would like to open the school as soon as possible and start sending all the students for in-person learning. Now, the 10th executive order is related to equity. The COVID-19 Health Equity Task Force will work to ensure that everyone, especially communities of color, has equal access to vaccines, treatment, masks, and protective supplies. Now, President Joe Biden also has actually signed 2 more executive orders today, and one of them actually to increase the food stamp, and the second executive order is related to providing the second stimulus check package increment. So seems like going forward in the coming days and a week, you can see some more and more executive order from President Joe Biden. So we know that we had all kind of drama happen at the Washington DC, and I think finally we have the new government, and a new thing has been started. So we all hoping that things probably get improved. We all get some good news on a COVID-19 vaccine related news, and I hope that the country start recovering soon. I hope you like our video, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel, and we will come with the more video like this. Thank you.